Welcome to 349 Dawsons Park Drive. This charming 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is located in the Dawsons Park subdivision in Lexington off of Augusta Highway or US 1. Convenient to Lake Murray, I-20, and Highway 378 as well. So we're out front here. You can see there is a one-car driveway. You have a nice exterior with the faux cedar shingling and the care-style garage door. You also have a covered front porch here. Nice accents on the door, 2 windows flanking that. So once we get inside, notice we have some beautiful laminate hardwood flooring that is throughout the main level of the home, with the exception of the half bath that's right there. You can see the nice foyer here, going up to the second level there. Then we're inside and you have the half bath, guest bathroom off the foyer hall. As you come in here, you have a small sort of butler pantry or prep area here in the sort of hallway going between the kitchen and the garage. So you have some drawers and just a counter space there. Access to the garage is here. You have a vehicle parked in there right now. You can sort of see the size, just to give you a bit of reference. It is a one-car garage. Then you have an open floor plan living and kitchen area here. So you have 2 closets on this side of the living room. Just for storage, I'll only open one of those. Both are pretty much identical. You have a nice sort of accent window higher up there. Crown molding in here, ceiling fan, gas log fireplace. And then lots of natural light coming from the windows and the sliding glass door at the back. And you can see all up into the kitchen as well. So you have the transom window above the sliding glass door back here. We'll take you outside really quickly. So out back you do have a enclosed patio area, fully fenced here, and nice oversized patio. And you don't back up to anyone directly back here. You can see there's a fence that goes out. There's actually a nice gazebo out there. The gazebo you can take advantage of as well. So back inside, just that light for you again. You have the dining area here off the kitchen. Again, one of those nice windows, one out to the back. Then you have the bar counter here, the center island, sort of 2 levels. The lower counter, then you have stainless steel appliances included in the kitchen. There's a French door refrigerator or side-by-side smooth top electric stove, above the range microwave and dishwasher there, window over the sink, and some recessed lighting in here, also some pendant lighting. And also you do have these sort of plug-ins for if you want to plug an iPod or a device to play music, and you have the built-in speakers here in the living area. So we'll go back through and now take a look at the second level. All the bedrooms are upstairs. So carpeting starts on the stairs as you go up. And then off the landing up here you have a couple linen closets, sort of same as in the living room downstairs. Both of those are identical. But you have your master suite here facing the front of the home. You have a ceiling fan, nice tray ceiling. Nice sized room, and see the huge walk-in closet, recessed lighting in there as well. And then your master bathroom has the double sinks, granite countertops in here, as you do also have in the kitchen. Nice large window and a walk-in shower. And then here in the hallway as well, we have just another closet here. I believe Lexi will open this one. So I actually have 3 of these sort of linen closets in the hallway. It's a great storage space in this home for its size, especially. You also have your laundry room on this side, large size. You can see some built-in shelving. There is a washer and dryer in here as of right now. Please check and verify to make sure those will be included or not before submitting an application or anything for the property. And then you have second and third bedroom as well. This one has a nice closet with doors as opposed to the sort of sliding bifolds or sliding doors or bifold doors. And then this room is roughly the same. And then you can see the closet here as well. You do have a, if I can adjust that light for you, you can see it. You do have a second rack up there also. And then last but not least, you have your second full bathroom. You have the double sinks in here as well. You have a tub and shower in here, and the granite countertops as well. It's a really nice home here in Lexington. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.